In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI. If you're new to Asana or just want to make the most of its AI capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll navigate through each step to get you set up and ready to go, harnessing the power of Asana's intelligent tools to streamline your workflow. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's login page. You'll need your email address handy, as it's your key to accessing all the capabilities Asana has to offer. Once you arrive at the login page, enter your email address in the designated field. It's important to ensure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After you enter your email, click on the Continue button. This step is crucial to proceed to the password entry part of the login process. Now type in your password, make sure it's secure yet memorable. If it's your first time, you can always reset it if necessary. With your details entered, click on Login. This will take you to your Asana homepage, the central hub where all the magic happens. From here you can create projects, track tasks, and begin your journey with Asana AI. On your homepage, look for the Create button and give it a click. A menu will appear, choose Project. This is where you'll start conceptualizing your work. When setting up a project, you have the option to select a template or start with a blank project. Templates can save you time, providing structure, while a blank project gives you complete creative control. Next, think about a suitable name for your project. This will serve as its identifier and help keep your work organized. After naming your project, you'll want to click on Set Up with Asana AI. This is where the AI component begins to work its magic, offering intelligent assistance in setting up your project. Once you've set your project up, click on Generate Preview. This feature gives you a glimpse of how your project will look and function before finalizing it. If everything looks good, proceed to Create Project. With your project now live, explore how Asana AI can help you further. Use it to plan tasks efficiently, suggesting subtasks to break down your workload. Asana AI can also provide suggestions for forms and rules, helping automate aspects of your project and maintaining consistency. There's more. Asana AI features smart chat capabilities that can craft responses in comments, facilitating smoother communication within your team. Additionally, you can use it to draft updates, ensuring your team is consistently informed about project progress and changes. And that's it, you've just set up a project using Asana AI. Keep exploring these tools to unlock new levels of productivity and organizational prowess, always adapting and expanding as your needs evolve.